Hello children, today we are going to continue our class with exercise 5 under chapter 3 multiplication. So in previous video in exercise 4 we saw how to multiply numbers with 2-digit number, and now we are going to see how to do multiplication with 3-digit numbers. So for that I just written two sums here, we'll just see one by one. So as of you know that always you're supposed to write the place values and you will be writing in an order. Okay. So ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So when you just put it in the order, ones, tens, hundred till the highest place value. So the first 1, 3, 6. And this 631 has to be multiplied with 240. Okay. So first you will start multiplying from the ones place value. That is, this 240 has to be multiplied with 631, and that too you will start from one place with another place. So first I am taking ones place. So in ones place I have 0. So since any number which is multiplied with 0, the value of product what you get, you will be getting 0. So 0 into 1 gives 0, 0 into 3 gives 0, 0 into 6 gives 0. So all the ones place value you have 0. So the multiplication of ones place is over, and then you will move on to the tens place. So in tens place you have 4. So with this 4 we are going to multiply each and every number. So 4 ones are 4. So I told you before multiplying the tens place value, you will move to the second row and you will give 1 0 in the answer column. That is, for this 0, that means the ones place value is 0 because we are multiplying the tens place value. So 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, and 12 is a 2-digit number. So ones place value 2 will be there and the 1 will be carried forward to the next place value. So now 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24. With that 24, 1 is added, you will get 25. So I am writing this 25 as it is here. Okay, since I don't have number here, I am placing the value directly. So now tens place value of multiplication is over. Now moving to the hundreds place. So in hundreds place I have 2. So with this 2 we are going to multiply all the numbers which is there in the above. So first we will start from the ones place. 2 ones are 2. So before writing the answer, what you are supposed to do as of what you did in the second row. The first row is for ones place and the second row is for tens place. The third row will be for the hundreds place. So that is, you are going to do multiplication for the hundreds place so that the value in the ones place and the tens place will remain 0. So this ones place have 0 and the tens place has 0. So this 0 and these two zeros are for the place values. So now you will do multiplication and you will start giving the answer only from the hundreds place. Okay, this 2 into 1 gives 2, and that 2 you are not supposed to write from the ones place. You are supposed to write the answer from the hundreds place. Understood? So next 2 into 3, 6. Next 2 into 6, 12. So this 12 I am writing as it is. Okay. So now all these three values are supposed to be added. So start adding from the ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 gives 0. 0 plus 4 gives 4. 4 plus 0 gives again 4. So next 0 plus 2 gives 2. 2 plus 2 gives 4. So here above we don't have any value, that means it is a 0. So here 5 and 6 there. So 5 plus 6, you can also add 0 for not getting confusion. So wherever you don't have numbers, you can place it as 0. So 0 plus 5 gives 5 and 5 plus 6 gives 11. So here the 11 is a 2-digit number. So 1 is written here and the second tens place value is carried forward here. So 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 2 gives 3. 3 plus 2 gives 5. So again next last place values, 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 gives 1. So now after multiplying all the 3 place values and we added all the answers and finally you got the value of 1,51,440. Okay, so we'll just see one more sum here, as if ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Just place it in a place value, ones, tens, hundreds. So 5, 0, 5. So this has to be multiplied with 123. So from ones place value we are starting the multiplication. So this 3 should be multiplied with all the each and every number in the above row. So 3 into 5 gives 15. 3 5s are 15. So next 3 into 0, that is before 3 into 5 gives 15. No, 15 is a 2-digit number. So this 5 I written here, this 1 has to be carried forward in the next place value. And this 3 into 0. 3 into 0 gives 0. Whenever you do multiplication with 0, your product will be 0. So that is that 0 and 1 should be added. Always a carry forward should be added with your product. And so that 0 plus 1 gives 1. So next 3 into 5 gives 15. So 15 is a 2-digit number, but I don't have any values next to the hundreds place. So directly I am writing this 15. Understood? So 3 into 5, 15. 5 is here, 1 is here. 3 into 0 is 0. And 0 plus 1 gives 1. So again 3 into 5 gives 15. Next now ones place value multiplication is over. Now we will move to the tens place. So in tens place I have 2. So this 2 has to be multiplied each and every number. So 2 into 5. Before giving the writing the value, what you are supposed to give? 0 in the ones place. So for this ones place you are supposed to give 0. From the tens place value only you are supposed to write the answer. So 2 into 5 gives 10. 2 5s are 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. So 0 is written here and this 1 is written here. Okay, this 1 is already we have given. So now 2 into 5, 10 means 0 is here and 1 is carried forward to the next place value. So now 2 into 0 will give 0. Again this 0 will be added with this 1. You will get value 1. Okay. So now move on to the next. 2 into 5 gives again 10. So 10 is a 2-digit number. Since I don't have number here, I am writing as it is. So now tens place value is also over. Now moving to the hundreds place. So 1 into 5. What you will get? 5. Okay. So 1 5s are is 5. But this answer 5 where you will write? Whether you will write in the ones place or whether you will write in the hundreds place. You should write in the hundreds place. Because you are doing multiplication in the hundreds place. So for that, the ones place value and the tens place value will have zeros. Okay. So now 1 into 5 gives 5 and 1 into 0 gives 0 and 1 into 5 gives again 5. So now we are going to add all the 3 values. So wherever you don't have value, you can give 0. So you will start adding from the ones place. So 5 plus 0 gives 5. Again 5 plus 0 gives 5. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. And that 6 plus 5 gives 11. So 1 is here and 1 carry forward to the next number. So next 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 gives 2. Again 2 plus 0 gives 2. Okay. So now 0 plus 1 gives 1. And that 1 is added with 5, you will get 6. So now after multiplying, you will get 62,115. Understood? So using the same concept, you can do any number of digits multiplication. Thank you.